naman, and it's the last eviction night tonight. Malalaman natin kung sino ng ating Big Four.
Ng bayan.
Sino ang Big Four?
Well, Big Four mo?
Alam na natin kung sino ang Big Four. Charis, Asver,
the last slot
at saka si Rawi.
Yes.
Last slot. So it's either Breca or Dosbia.
So
actually, hindi ko kasi alam kung sino. Kasi yung twist ngayon, hindi votings.
Yes.
As in, you really have to earn your spot. So, through challenges.
Yes.
Actually, I love both of them, yung Dosbia and Breca. Pero kung sino na lang, tiwala na lang kay Lord. Kung sino pasok sa kanila, then maybe they deserve it. If hindi, you know, better things are waiting on the outside world. Yes, sana may Breca. Breca or Dosbia. Pero, yes, actually, I wish them all the best. And of course, yung mga nakapasok na sa Big Four, deserve nila yun. Ang Big Night sa July 5 din po yan. So, abangan natin yung Big Night kung sino magiging big winner. Ayun po. At syempre, ayun, magpakailanman. My social media accounts, you can follow me at Ashley Ortega sa Instagram and TikTok. So, ayun po.
Thank you so much,
much.